Hi everyone. Just want to check in. It's rainy Monday. You guys are working on kind of sexual coercion, sexual assault, kind of the hard stuff of the class this week. So just want to put it out there that I know some of this stuff is triggering. So take care of yourselves as you kind of make your way through it. And that's basically the last content piece you're going to do for the semester. The final exam is here also in the same module, so you have that. And you also have kind of the last what has shifted. Kind of that's just a review going back and having you touch base on that sort of thing, and that's due Thursday. So actually I'm going to extend it. I'm going to make them all due. I'll make everything due on the 20th, I guess, but you can have the rest of the semester to just finish those last three things. So I will switch those as soon as I finish sending you this message. So I just want to thank you. You guys have done the work that needed to be done this semester. You didn't miss a beat. You guys went through the whole semester without making any adaptations to what we had to do when we switched to all remote, because you just started out in this kind of online learning platform anyways. And so you've done all the work for, kind of a full semester's worth of a human sexuality intro class. I hope it was interesting. I hope you learned some things that are useful for your lives and the people around you. If you want to do any hands-on work, especially in kind of the behavioral science kind of helping field, I'm going to just plug a class that I'm teaching in the fall. It's service learning, which is basically you spend 60 hours working in a community service org, and then we kind of scaffold that together as a small group usually, and we're going to be doing that online clearly because we're not going to be meeting face to face, and the work that you'd be doing in the organization would be either virtual or hands-on, depending on everybody's level of comfort, what the social distancing looks like, and what the organization needs. But as you're moving into this week on sexual assault, I just am mindful that there are two organizations in Marin County that, and they also are in other counties that I work with that that do work to kind of end sexual assault, but also to support people who have been assaulted. And so the Center for Domestic Peace is one of the organizations that I work with, and then Community Violence Solutions, and those are both local agencies that work with people who have experienced domestic violence or rape or other sexual assault. So just FYI. And then I work with 40 other organizations that do a variety of community service work in the Marin area. It branches out to some other counties as well, but most primarily in Marin County. So if any of you are interested in continuing taking a class with me that has something that is actually hands-on, kind of doing the work rather than just learning about it, that's what makes this class really special. I'd love you to add that class. It's Psychology 252A. It's also listed as Behavioral Sciences 252A, and it's called Service Learning Fieldwork. And it's non-traditional in the sense that you're mostly doing the actual fieldwork rather than doing a lot of reading, test taking, that sort of thing. So it's a really fun class to teach because we get to actually get out there and do stuff. So anyways, keep that in mind. And I guess that's about all I'm going to say to you. Just a big thanks for all the work you did this semester. I know it's been a weird semester, a weird world. Don't know what's coming next, but I guess we're all just going to be along for the ride. But remember that you're a part of this world, and so let yourself be part of how you want to see the change, right? If it's more gender equity, if it's ending hunger, whatever it is, there's a lot of work to be done, and actually doing it makes you feel better, so it's good for your wellness. So the service learning class allows that too. Again, I'll stop plugging the class, but it's a really good class and I'd love to see you in it. But in any case, take good care of yourselves, the people you care about, the world, and I hope I get to work with you again in the future. Thanks.